Hey Jessica, this is Bernie Wright from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time early to speak to my associate Elizabeth. In this quick video, we're going to go over three things that you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now, you may be asking why we making this video. We found a lot of small business owners, such as yourself, are too busy taking care of your customers and employees that you just don't have time to learn how the internet works to bring in more customers. We feel the only thing that's stopping you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we basically put together these attack plans and we give them away for free. Some clients implement them on their own, some call us back. Whatever you decide is all good with us. All we ask is that you give us a little bit of feedback after the video. So the three things we're going to go over, one is going to be content, the second is going to be backlinks, and the third is going to be citations. Now, content includes all the words on your page. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on a home page, depending on the keywords needed. Now, keywords are anything that someone may type into Google looking for a particular product or service. Keywords should be placed throughout your website within the content, telling Google exactly the terms that you want to be found for. For example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to have keywords like plumber, Oceanside, leaks, flooding, etc. This tells Google, who then tells the end users that you exist. So if I take a look at your page here, I see you have your logo here. You have a get the free quote. You have a caption page, which is great. Um, Looks like you quality repairs, maintenance. Yeah, looks your page looks great. You have your services section here, telling you about your services. Fantastic. And you have reviews, social reviews, which is amazing, great. But like I said, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words. So we take a look, we can see right here that you guys have about 1,000 words on your page. If we look at your next competitor, we'll take a look at their page really quickly. Okay. We take a look at my tool here. They have about 525 words. And if we take a look at your next competitor, Buffalo Roofing, Western New York Roofing Company, we can see here they have their services and they have about 650 words. So that's great. You guys are crushing them in the word content. What I would do is I would just go out there, optimize this, get a little bit more keyword rich content on your website, maybe another 600 words to 800 words on this page, and you guys will definitely start to see start to outrank these guys. The next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about backlinking. Okay. I believe, backlink is anywhere you find a clickable hyperlink um, linking from one website to another website. Now, these links, they act as an endorsement of your website, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other businesses vouch for your business. The internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks is going to win. But just keep in mind, not every backlink is created equal, so you definitely want to go out there and get relevant backlinks. You don't want to go out there and get a backlink from Domino's or Pizza Hut because Google knows that you guys are not a pizza company. So it's just not relevant to what you do. So I use a paid tool to check backlinks. It's called Ahrefs. So we take a look at your page here in our backlink checker. We can see that this is your website. Right now you have 36 backlinks and 9 referring domains. You're not being found for any keywords and you have no organic traffic right now. If we take a look at the second competitor, we can see that they have 429 backlinks, 64 referring domains, 123 keywords that they're being found for, and their organic traffic every single month on their website is 103. And if we take a look at your third competitor, Buffalo Roofing, we can see that they have 271 backlinks, 117 referring domains. They're being found for organically 361 keywords, and every single month they're getting about 208 clicks to their website. So that's, backlinking is extremely important in terms of that. The more backlinks you have, the more authority you're going to get, and then the higher Google's going to rank you. And then the third thing we're going to talk about was we're going to talk about a citation. Now, citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number appears in a directory exactly as it is on your Google My Business page. Now, citations help you rank in the map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses like yourself, since this brings a huge amount of revenue. The more your citations go up, your name, address, and phone number shown in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and there are probably hundreds of more directories that you can go out there out in. Social media accounts are a great way to get citations. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google's going to trust you. And once they see that your business is is going up, the more they're going to outrank you over your competition. So we take a look at. I did a quick search here, roof repair, Buffalo, New York. We can see this is where um, the paid ads are Google guarantees, and this is where the organic map pack is. So you want to try to get in here. So for example, if this company has DSS has their name in 10 directories, we want to go out there and get into 30 or 40 directories. If this company has 40 directories, we want to go out there and get in 50, 60 directories, and so on and so forth. That's how we're going to outpace these guys in this organic map pack, because 40% of the people who are actually searching for roofers in Buffalo don't go past this page, and they may go to the organic section, which is here, which we can see that it's buffaloroofingcompany.com. They're ranking organically because of their backlinking strategy that they're using. And then we can go out here and see the second competitor is ranking here for their backlinking strategy. I also did a search because you guys are not actually in Buffalo. I did a search Lockport here, and there's no reason why you guys can't show up in this map pack here. Um, in terms of and have your business show up organically in your local area. These guys are outranking you guys as well. MH White Roofing. And if I go into here to see where you guys actually are on this Google Map Pack list, if we go out and optimize this and get more citations, you guys can definitely. So you guys not that far away. Not that far away. You guys are so in wrapping up, what you want to do is you want to go out and you want to get more relevant content. You want to get backlink strategy. You want to get more backlinks than your competitors out there. And one of the tools that I use is we use pretty much a copycat method. What's good for them is good for us. So if they have, we go into here and we can find out which backlinks they have, and we can go in and we can figure out, who they're linking to and what they're doing, and we can just basically copy the same links that they have. So what's good for them is good for us. It'll get us ranked to the top. And then also citations. We want to go out and get in as more directories in our competition, so we can begin to outrank them and bring in more online customers. Again, I hope this information was useful. You can do one of two things with this information. You can go out there, implement all this on your own. You don't need us. You can just go out there and do this on your own. But if you need more information and you want to talk about it and this piqued your curiosity, feel free to give us a call. Our number is right down at the bottom of the screen. Hope all is well. Have a great day.